Paramshanti. Welcome to this beautiful journey towards peace through tolerance. Today, we explore a simple truth. Peace is not possible without tolerance. And when we live with true acceptance, we achieve Paramshanti, the highest peace. What is tolerance? Tolerance means respecting differences, different opinions, religions, traditions. It's not just putting up with others, it's embracing them with love. Peace is not outside, peace is inside. When you accept others as they are, your heart becomes lighter, calmer. You smile more, you live more. Let me tell you a story. Once there were two friends. At first, they fought over small things, but when they chose tolerance, their friendship became unbreakable. They ever lived in Paramshanti. Nature teaches us tolerance. The river does not reject a stone. The tree does not judge who sits in its shade. In the same way, when we become tolerant, we become nature itself, calm, peaceful. So, let's live with tolerance. Let's choose to accept, to understand, to love. Then Param Shanti will not be just a word, it will become our reality. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम